Hello there. It's never too late to become a millionaire with a small investment in the future. Sign up on the Binance exchange in the description and join the exciting world of crypto markets. Be a part of the thrilling future. For more information and discussions, you can find our Telegram group in the description. Today's speech by Jerome Powell at the Jackson Hole conference held significant implications for the economy and the crypto market. While the message conveyed wasn't entirely surprising, the market's reaction to the news has raised some eyebrows. Powell's consistent message over the past year and a half has revolved around the ongoing battle against inflation. The Federal Reserve's Fed goal has been to bring inflation back down to the desired 2% range. Currently, the inflation rate stands around 3.2 to 3.4% for the year, slightly higher than the target. Recent Consumer Price Index (CPI) data, however, indicates a gradual move towards the 2% mark, which is a positive sign. The Fed's approach continues to be data-dependent, and they've stated their readiness to raise interest rates further if deemed necessary. They plan to maintain a restrictive policy stance until they are confident that inflation is moving substantially closer to their objective. It's important to note that inflation hasn't been reined in as expected despite the high interest rates. This is due to the substantial amount of money circulating in the economy. While this might not be evident to everyone, it has kept spending levels up and contributed to a robust GDP, despite the aggressive anti-inflation measures. The persistence of these economic conditions has led to a more prolonged timeline to achieve the desired inflation levels. Interestingly, the market initially reacted to the news with a sell-off, including the crypto market where even cryptocurrencies like SHIB experienced a dip. However, this negative reaction was relatively short-lived, and the market has shown resilience by rebounding. This could be attributed to the fact that Powell's message aligns with the consistent narrative from the Fed regarding their stance on inflation and interest rates. Investors have become accustomed to this narrative, which might explain the relatively muted market response. In the near term, some downward price consolidation might continue in the crypto market, including for SHIB. Historically, August and September have been challenging months for cryptocurrencies. Despite short-term price movements, it's important to remember that they don't necessarily dictate long-term trends. The crypto market is still in a bearish phase, with key events like the Bitcoin halving and the potential for an all-season rally on the horizon in the coming months. As a reminder, this isn't financial advice, but understanding the economic context and its impact on prices is essential for investors. Monitoring the market's response and macroeconomic factors will be crucial as we move forward. While short-term price movements matter, they might not be indicative of long-term trends. It will be interesting to see if SHIB and other cryptocurrencies experience a positive upswing, potentially finding support around key levels. Your support and feedback are appreciated. Stay informed and take care until the next update.